Hi everybody, happy Feel Good Friday. Today I have for you a yoga for good posture practice. So make sure you have your bolster, your pillows, your yoga blocks, and your strap, and let's get started. All right, we are going to get started in a supported fish pose, okay? So grab your bolster or your pillow. If you don't have a bolster, anything this shape or firmness is great. If you don't have either of those and you have your yoga block, you can work with that too. All right, let's do this. So, supported fish pose, grab whatever you're working with and bring it to your lower back. Lay back, palms are up. Open the chest and just relax. Focusing on yourself right now. You have these 15 minutes to yourself. Close your eyes. Release the tension from your forehead, your cheeks, your chin. Release the tension that may be anywhere else in your body. Just breathe. Release the tongue from the roof of your mouth. A couple more breaths here. Take a deep inhale through the nose. Big exhale out the mouth. Another one just like that. Inhale through the nose. Exhale out the mouth. This time, inhale through the nose. Seal your lips and exhale out the nose. Continuing that breath. Slowly start to make your way out of this supported fish pose by bringing your knees up, planting the bottoms of your feet into the mat. Shift your weight over and roll over to one side and press yourself up. Okay, moving on. Now we are going to actually go into a camel pose. You're opening up, relax everything. Feel free to close your eyes. Try not to crunch too much, just let your shoulder blades melt down. If you're working with the blocks, I'll be there with you. I like to lift my hips up even higher. You're only here for a couple of breaths. If your neck starts to feel tense, just slightly bring it up and shake your head no and yes and go right back into it. It's very intense. Breathe. Just bring it up nice and slow. If you're working from your heels, roll your body up. Let's come to a child's pose really quickly. And roll it up. Camel is always one that is a very challenging pose for me, so I wanted to throw it in here so that you guys could get it and work it out as well, because it's so beneficial. Next, we are going to go into a plank. Very simple, right? Plank position. Let me move these. Plank position. And today I want you to go into a wide plank, actually. So bring your feet out as wide as your mat. Stack your shoulders, wrists, fingers, hands, everything is stacked underneath each other. Roll your shoulder blades down the back. Keep your gaze down to your mat. Try not to crunch your neck. Try not to sink it. Right in the middle, your gaze is right in between your hands. Take a deep inhale. Exhale, lower down, chaturanga. And hold it here. We're going into a cobra pose. Press yourself up. Roll out your neck. And reverse. Hold it in the center, find stillness. Keep those hips square, make sure you're not too far on any side. Thighs are planted into the mat, palms of the hands are into the mat. Gaze is straight ahead. And breathe. Close your eyes. One more inhale here. Exhale, lower down. If you don't have a strap, I highly suggest you get one. I have my favorites linked in the description box. If you don't have a strap, grab a towel. This is really going to also help you to stay upright, shoulder blades down the back, just kind of straighten everything out, especially with the spine. So what you're going to do is take your towel or your strap and walk your hands down, up and down. So the top hand is going to be walking down towards the bottom hand in hopes of meeting. Now, if you don't need to use a strap or any type of props for this and you can clasp your hands, that's awesome. That's the ultimate goal. So here, sit up straight, shoulder blades down the back, and just hold this pose. And if you're still fidgeting and not sure what exactly my hands look like, I'll show you from behind. Comfortable seated position. Take your strap and continuously walk your hands until they eventually meet. One side is always going to be easier than the other side, so just be patient with yourself. Sit up straight. We tend to be comfortable here. This is why I'm showing you guys still from the back. If you're here, iron out that back. Get that spine nice and strong. Shoulder blades are down the back. Get that elbow back as well. Slowly start to walk more. Breathe. Couple more breaths here. Try to walk the hands even more. One more breath, inhale. And exhale. Gently release by sliding your arms. Roll out your shoulders a little bit. I'll turn back around. We have to go to the other side. Gotta even it out. So take your strap or your towel, just put it behind you, and grab that other arm that was on the bottom. Switch it out. My left side is always my more challenging side. Keep that posture. And breathe. With every breath, try to walk up more. If you are not working with any props, keep the shoulder blades down the back. Sit up tall. Breathe. A couple more breaths here. Inhale. Exhale. Walk up a little more. One more breath. Inhale. And exhale. Gently release from that other side. Remove your strap, roll out your shoulders. And now we're going into our final Shavasana. Option to use your blocks. Option to have the blocks into a T so that your lower back can be on one block and the other block is supporting you as a pillow. You can also use your bolster for this as well. Final Shavasana. With light and love, namaste. Thank you guys so much for checking out today's practice. Don't forget to like and share this video, and also, of course, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you'd like to see more workouts like this, click the boxes below. Otherwise, I will see you next time. Don't take it personal.